Hello, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the TrustIsYou.com in a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. I want to invite all U.S. business owners, 1099 income earners, and also investors on January 9th at 4 p.m. East Coast time. I'm going to do a presentation on Zoom and then open it for Q&A. I want to share some of the things that I have saved on capital gains. I want to also teach people how to save. So I'm going to share my screen so you can see what's going on. When I started my trust in September of 2020, I put this first property in here. I bought it in July of 2020 for $20,000. Of course, it's the middle of COVID, so I had to wait 13 months. But when I bought the contract, they said it was going to go auction for $50,000. That spread in between, that $30,000, I knew because my tax rate was 24%, I would have to pay $7,100 in short-term capital gains. So this was July, and I'm researching it. And then when in September of 2020, when I started both my business trust and my beneficial trust, I had to move this from my LLC into the trust. Easy peasy. I did 2 bill of sales, one from my LLC to myself, Sally Gimmon, second bill of sale from Sally Gimmon to the trust. I drove to the bank. My banker, Jose, did a notary on it. When he did the first bill of sale, I handed him $10 for consideration. He made a note. When he did the second bill of sale, he handed the $10 back to me. Drove home, scanned the 2 documents, sent them to the attorney in Raleigh. I'm living in Phoenix at this time. Send them to the attorney in Raleigh. Next day, the attorney sends me an email saying, I need the first page of your trust. I sent that to him. When it finally went to auction on August 28th of 2021, it started at $50,000 and went all the way up to $64,326. Yay, Sally! I made $44,326 on that first transaction. But more importantly, I saved $10,368 in short-term capital gains. If I can do this, you can do this. This is exactly what the Rockefellers have and US presidents have. So let me explain what the trusts are. The Spendthrift Trust is legal, copyrighted in the IRS Tax Code 643B, and it's going to save you in 4 extremely important ways. Number 1, federal taxes. Number 2, keep your information private. Your LLC does not do that. I can write a Freedom of Information letter to either the Secretary of State or the Corporation Commission and get all your information. Number 3, I can't stop you from being sued, but you will pay no judgments if you get sued. You could save thousands of dollars this way. And number 4, if you don't know about the 2024 Corporate Transparency Act that starts January 1st from the Treasury Department, the trust shields you from doing this paperwork every single year. Again, if you would like to find out how to save federal taxes, you can always set up an appointment with me, www.thetrustisyou.com/scheduling. If you go out to just my website, www.thetrustisyou.com, I have a free video there, and you can also set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me. I will go live January 9th, 4 p.m. East Coast time. That's the second Tuesday of every month. If you would, it's going to be open for Q&A. Please come, learn something new. Again, my goal is to help as many U.S. business owners and 1099 income earners save federal income taxes. In states that have state income taxes, you can save those too if you get everything in the trust. And I want to help all investors, U.S. investors, save capital gains, short-term and long-term, save interest income. That's in case you're a passive investor, you're doing subject to, creative financing, or seller financing. I have notes. Or if you're a forex investor, forex investors, listen up. You get taxed twice, interest income and capital gains. And then if dividend income, if you're in the stock market, a day trader, a futures trader, binary options trader, or an options trader. Option traders, listen up. You get taxed 40% for a year or less, or 60% profits a year or more. You need this trust. Rental income. If you have Airbnb, vacation rentals, Verbo, or if you have long-term, 5 doors, 20 doors, 30 doors, multifamily, commercial property, you can save money with this trust, rental income. Yes, you can take depreciation, but you are also going to save, keep your information private, and you'll pay no judgments. What if someone trips and falls and breaks their ankle, or a dog gets loose and bites somebody? And then royalties. If you are an actor, a songwriter, an author, have intellectual property, mineral rights, or copyright, you could be saving royalty income taxes. Thank you for watching these short vignettes. If I can help you save taxes, please reach out to me. Take care and have a beautiful week. Bye-bye.